the chances that you're watching this video in your smartphone while you're sitting in a very uncomfortable position that's straining your neck muscles. So this harmful position that you're sitting in is called as a text neck. So what is this harmful position that I'm talking about? When you're engrossed in your phone or a book, you tend to slouch too much with your shoulders rounded and neck pushed forward. So in this position, what happens is the muscles in the front of your neck and your chest muscles tend to get tightened and the muscles at the back are stretched too much. This position will eventually lead to a hunched back position. So what are the symptoms of this text neck syndrome? You may experience neck pain that radiates down to your shoulders and your upper arm. You may experience muscle weakness, headaches, soreness in your upper back muscles, and apart from these joint and muscle pain, you may have reduced respiratory capacity because of the tightened chest muscles. So what can we do about this text neck syndrome? We cannot definitely ditch our phones and keep them aside. So I'll be telling you 4 practices today that you will need to follow. So let's get started. Let's start with the most important practice, which is stretching. So the first stretch is to stretch your trapezius muscles. Tilt your head to the left side, taking your left hand. Apply an overpressure to feel a good stretch on the right side of your neck. Hold the stretch for 10 counts and then slowly release. Similarly, tilt your head to the right side. Applying an overpressure, pull your head to the right side to feel a good stretch on your left side and relax. So the second muscle that goes into tightness or gets sore with this condition is your levator scapulae, that's at the back of your neck. So you will have to look down towards your left knee, raise your left hand and place it at the back of your neck. Apply an overpressure to feel a good stretch on the right side back of your neck. Again, hold the stretch for 10 counts. Release. Similarly, looking down towards your right knee, take your hand and apply an overpressure at the back. You will release and relax. Our third stretch is going to be a stretch to open our chest muscles. So you will take your hands at the back and clasp them with your palms facing the ceiling. Expand your chest slightly and extend your arms behind. Hold the stretch for 10 counts. Gently bring your hands down and relax. One important point that you need to remember while doing these stretches are that you need to be very gentle while you are stretching your muscles. You shouldn't feel any pain while you are doing the stretches. Just in case you feel any pain, you need to stop the stretch immediately. Our second step is going to be to release the stiffness around your neck and your shoulders and get the joints moving. So the first exercise is where you extend your neck, look up and down, up, feel a good stretch in the front of your neck, look down. You will practice this 10 times. Our second exercise is going to be neck rotations. You will look to the right, look straight, to the left, straight, again, to the right, straight, left, straight. Be very gentle while you are exercising your neck and try to do each movement in a pain-free range. Moving on to our next joint, which is the shoulder. Let's start with shoulder shrugs. You'll have to sit straight and slightly expand your chest. Take your shoulders up to your ear, down, up, down. You will do this 10 times. Next one will be your shoulder rotations. You will rotate your shoulders from back to front and then front to back 10 times each. Let's start with the next exercise where you have to retract your shoulder blades. So let's join our hands, expand your shoulders, retract your shoulder blades and join your hands. Let's combine it with a breathing cycle. Breathe in, expand your shoulders, breathe out, bring your hands closer, breathe in, expand, breathe out and relax. Again you will do this practice 10 times. Thoracic mobility is the last exercise that we will be doing. The thoracic spine is the middle section of your back, and doing this exercise is very important for maintaining a good posture. So what we need to do is either take a foam roller or a bottle. You will go on your knees, place your wrist on the bottle and slide your bottle forward while you extend your arms up. Slide your bottle forward and up, down, try to do this 5 to 10 times. Our third practice is to know how to hold your phone right. So instead of slouching and holding your phone in this position, sit straight, raise your hands up, hold the phone at eye level so you're not sitting in a slouched position and you don't have a forward head position. Our last and the most difficult practice is to keep the phone aside and take frequent phone breaks. While it may be easier said than done, it's going to help you in the long run. In the end, I just hope that you exercise and stretch your neck muscles while you maintain your posture. It's always better to disconnect to reconnect with your mind and body. Thank you.